Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Fiverr account in few seconds. So it's very simple. First of all, make sure that you have Fiverr app in your mobile and just go to the Fiverr. So now you can see here the interface. Right after that, you just need to go to 3 button which is in the bottom right side. Just click on this more. So you can see the settings here. Just click on this and go to accounts. So in the last you can see deactivate account. Just click on this and just keep your number and select your country and just click on deactivate account, which is in the red word. So in this way you can just deactivate or delete your account permanently in Fiverr. So thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button and comment down below for more contents. Thank you.